Hey everybody, the next book that I wanted to share with you in this multi-millionaire mindset lesson is called Being Mindful. And I apologize, it's actually not a book. This is just a video that I found on YouTube by Kabat-Zinn. And he talks about the purpose and the outcome and the benefits of being mindful. And so I wanted to share this with you. I knew it'd be great to have as a resource in your library. And I wanted to share with you because so many times, especially if we are moms, we forget what to do every day. We forget, we are so distracted with our kids, and we have so many other things going on with running our household. We forget to be mindful. And so this PowerPoint video presentation is going to show us how to think in the present and to quit thinking in the past and to quit thinking in the future. And so I just wanted to share this wonderful resource with you because it will help you as a mom, it will help you as a realtor, and it will help you get the job done, and you will be more likely to get everything done on your to-do list and to be able to remember what things that you need to get done today. So if you have any questions, go ahead and post them on the Facebook group. I can't wait to hear your comments, and I look forward from hearing from you. And let's go ahead and get started. Being Mindful by Kabat-Zinn. So the definition of being mindful. Being mindful is a way of connecting with your life. It doesn't involve a lot of energy. Cultivating attention in a certain way, paying attention on purpose in the present moment, being non-judgmental as if your life depended on it. So when we think about being mindful, keep those at the utmost importance. The purpose of being mindfulness is think only in the present. If you think in the future, then you have anxiety or panic. And if you think in the past, you have depression. The brain often does both all of the time. Be aware, we are taught how to pay attention to being thoughtful and imaginative, but we aren't taught how to be mindful. How do we stop our brain from focusing on the past and future and focus on our present? First thing, tips on how to be mindful. Number 1, sit up, close your eyes, concentrate breathing, or repeat a sound or word. This is used in meditation. The benefits. You will notice how much more time you will have because you're able to stay focused. You will be happier because you got a lot done, and you'll be able to stop and smell the roses because you're not constantly thinking about the past or the future, and you will have inner peace. Thank you for watching. Follow me on social media. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you in the next video.